Kulay, pupunta sa frame, pupunta sa malaking face, let's say malaking bottle, malaking pocket, chances are, yun din ang tinitingnan ng house.
Please open the
here to welcome us to this epic afternoon. Please give a big round of applause to Miss Vintage Nicole.
And then here's a face-to-face also from Sinatitang Luzon. Valentine's Day, and the theme is really loving yourself.
Enhancing your professional image. Welcome to this workshop that we back to the workplace. So the expectation is you will for the best person to bring this to life. We have been so lucky and privileged that we found it in the person of our facilitator today. Our facilitator, baka naririnig nyo na siya sa mga colleagues ninyo na who have attended EPIC. Na Tony Miranda ka na ba? Na EPIC ka na ba? Yan. You will now get
Thank you so much, Casey. Let's level up your impact. Do you love that? Joining us virtually. Diba? Yung parang walang tumatagos. Okay, so let's thank you. Okay, so listen up. Remember the instruction, what? Convince me to yeah. C, sabi ni Christian. But I dedicate now, and then I will call on some so great ka na. Or sige na, tapos na eh. Okay, thank you.
Bright. Kaya sabi ko, yellow, kilig.
Close ang magana.
Oh, I wanted to remember it as Slay.
But I can't remember the feeling anymore. Napakatuloy lang. Do they look tall? Do they look credible? Iba ang kanilang looks, no? Other side, guys, reach out from you. Okay, so VP's Arbida. So online, please join. Stand straight, look up, smile. For you to remember that balance and proportion is also being vulnerability mo kang authentic. Okay. What is to be polished? So, if grooming is to take care of yourself, being polished is to prepare for that moment. Nag-prepare ka, so fit, di ba? Maayos. May gano'n talaga na. Okay? There's a way pala.
ito talaga yan.
Do that early, chances are so that's song here, and it's okay. Go to the next. Make sure. Okay, one more. Yeah, this is more maliit so that you can practice work.
Body language. Ito.
Feel good to look good. Yeah, thank you. How about
Since frontline kami, at least mas more on presentable po.
Despite all the stress that we're experiencing every day.
You should always feel good by itself.
The most important person in your life is
Especially if gusto po natin ma-improve yung sales namin.
For our retail, how this experience was, very programs available.
shine in the same way that your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. So thank you all.
Alright!